Hi everyone, and good afternoon or good morning. I'm not sure what time this is going to get listed. I think it's probably going to go up in the afternoon or evening actually, but I'm filming in the morning. This is the weekly giveaway winner announcement video, and we have a lot of winners today because I put all of these things up for grabs, and I have drawn all of your names out. I didn't do it on camera because it would have took me too long and I had to work it all out, who had what, etc, etc. So let me tell you who has won what. So thank you to everyone that took part. So the first thing we have is this wedding card making kit, and the winner of this is Jackie McFall. And I'm also going to put some buttons in for you as well, Jackie, because there were enough buttons to go around to everyone who wanted them. So you have this and buttons. I do have your address, I believe, so I will pop this in the post to you in the next couple of days. Well done, thank you for taking part. The second one are the Stampin' Up items, which are these ink dots and these sponges, and the winner of these are Sherry Vaughan. And also I'm going to put some buttons in for you as well, Sherry. I believe I have your address. Anyone that I don't have, I will message you to find out your address, but I think I have your, Sherry. If not, I will message me. So if you don't think I've got your address, please message me your address. In fact, everyone who has won, email me your address just in case I don't have it. The email will be in the description below. So that's Jackie and Sherry. Send me it again just in case, and then I've got them anyway. I don't have to ask you. So well done, Sherry, for winning those, and also some buttons. The next one, we have some eyelets going to KW. I definitely don't have your address, so please can you send me that? Thank you for taking part and well done. The next one we have are these glitter foam sheets, and the winner of these is Seri. So well done, my darling. If you could send me your address as well. And thank you to everyone who wanted those. Right, Joanne Sanderson, you have won some buttons, my lovely. I do have your address. Then we have Andrea Nevin, who has also won some buttons. Crafting Diva and Jacqueline at Jacqueline's Attic. You have both won some of the chalkboard sheets because there were two of you, and one of you didn't mind them being split. There are 20, so I'm going to split these between both of you. So you'll have 10 of these each. That's going to Crafting Diva, who I don't have your address, and Jacqueline's Attic. If you could message me your address. I'm also going to send Jacqueline some buttons as well, because she wanted some buttons. Right, the next one are these card blanks, and these are going to Christine's Cards and Things. Again, if you could send me your address. Well done, my lovely. Then we have Simra Golnawaz, who has some small buttons. If you could send me your address. April W has won some small buttons. Then we have this seaside set here, which is going to White Wizzy. Well done, my darling. I do have your address for sure, so I don't need them. Then we have the cross stitch set, which are these items here, which are going to Judith McPherson. So well done, my darling. I do have your address. In fact, I've just sent you a parcel, and these could have gone in, and it's too late now, so I shall have to pop these in another parcel for you. Then we have Pat Sweeney, who has also won some buttons, and the Scottish Crafter, who has also won some buttons and some eyelets. So that's all of the winners. If you could all send me your address to the email address in the description, that will be wonderful. Thank you to everyone that took part, and well done to you all. So we have Jackie McFall, Sherry Vaughan, KW, Seri, Joanne Sanderson, Andrea Nevin, Crafting Diva, Jacqueline's Attic, Christine's Cards and Things, Simra Golnawaz, April W, White Wizzy, Judith McPherson, Pat Sweeney, and the Scottish Crafter. Wow, I'm tired now. I need to lie down. I do also have to say, in a video last week, I did put up some tassels. And several of you wanted some of the tassels, which, great, you can have them. I've lost the tassels. I do not know where I've put the bag of tassels. When they turn up, I will be sending you all some tassels, which is a shame because some of you here who have won today wanted them. So I will have a little hunt out to see if I can find them. If not, when they turn up, I promise you, I will be sending out some tassels. I do not know what I've done with them. I now have my bag of cat things for my cat journal missing, and also the tassels. There's someone messing around in my craft room hiding my belongings. I do not know who. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks to everyone who took part, and well done to you all that have won all of these goodies. Now I have a big huge trip to go to the post office, so it might take me a few days to get all these parcels done because I need all your addresses, so bear with me. All of these items will be going out very soon. So take care, thanks for watching, and see you all very soon. Bye bye.